Welcome to this tutorial on how to log in as a site manager using the eDirectory software. As a site manager, you'll have access to specific tools and features that allow you to manage your website effectively. When you finish your order, you will receive an email like this one, with your login credentials and links for both your manager and your front page. At your first access, you can click on your backend link at your email. Note that to access your site manager, you must type /site-mgr in front of the temporary URL you received by email. Fill in your information and change your password. This is a required step to get started. Note that our system is case sensitive. Congratulations! You are now logged in as a site manager and can start managing your website's content, features, and settings. That's it. Logging in as a site manager on eDirectory software is as simple as adding /site-mgr to your website's URL and entering your login credentials. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.